Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we're drawing Ditto from Pokemon Pokopia. So I want to start along the top of our page and place the hat on top of the head. So we start over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve going up and then across towards the end of the hat brim. Now we're going to tuck the head in underneath the hat brim, starting over on the left, bend this out and then down. Let's go to the center of this curve, come in and then down towards the right. Now I'm going to create a fold, step up, curve this up, go around, and then bend that down. Now I want to show that the hat brim wraps around the head. So from here, we're going to step down just along the side of the head, go around the hat brim, around the end of that line, pull that in. And I'm going to follow this curve, going all the way across, about halfway, to right about there. Let's go all the way back over towards the left side. We're going to draw a half circle at the top of the hat. And go up, round out the hat, and just pull that down on top of the hat brim so it sticks out on the end. Let's go to the top of this curve. We're going to add a button going up and then down. Let's add that symbol on the right side of the hat. So we're going to start with a circle right in the middle. Now I'm going to add two curves going around, starting on the left side, going up around the circle and then down. Let's leave a small gap, trace the bottom, coming down and then up. Now from the end of each curve, we're going to draw a straight line going out toward the left and then the right. Now I'm going to follow that curve, starting from the left. We're going to go up and then in toward the top of the hat. And then on the right, just tuck that up. Let's go to the left side, come down, in behind the hat brim. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we draw in the arms. On the left side, we're going to step all the way up, curve the arm, go up, then out. Let's round out the arm, tape this down, and then in towards the side of the body. Now over on the right side, we're going to aim this one out. So we're going to step up to create that fold, go out, around, and then in. Let's draw the lower half of the body. From the bottom of the arm, we're going to step up to create that fold, going out, and then down. Now over on the right side, we're going to step up, bend this down, and then out. Let's close off the bottom of the body with a wave. Starting back on the left, just going to gradually round this out, go up. Let's add another curve coming down, and then up. And you want to finish off the right side. Just going to round this out, and then bend that back up. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the face. We're going to start with two circles, one on the left. Go all the way over towards the right and do the same thing. And we want to fill the eyes in black. Then we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start all the way over on the left. We're going to bend this down underneath the eyes and then up. Let's round out the corner of the mouth, the bracket. Then we'll close out the bottom with another curve. Now you can see the edge of the tongue along the side, starting on the top left, and it's out and down. Do the same thing on the right. And you want to fill these two areas in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ditto from Pokemon Pokopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.